2020, a little Bowman Chrome baseball this time of year. Love me some Bowman Chrome this time of year. Alright, Sean 2, Fake News 3, Jose 3, Nick 1, Alexander 2, Chief Keef 4, Fake News 2, Sean 2, Eric 2, Sam K 3, and Cade with 6. Lively crowd tonight. Yes, sir. 5 times for the 5 times. Here we go. A lot of orange. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Sam K, you're on top. Eric H, you're on the bottom, 5 times. 5 times for the 5 times. Good. Alright, Alexander, Reds, Rockies. Cade, Orioles, Tigers, Marlins, Yankees, Padres, Giants. Eric, Mariners, Nats. Fake News. Wait a second. Oh, he bought those. I see. Fake News, Braves, Cubs, White Sox, Brewers, Jays. No Way, Jose, Red Sox, Twins, Pirates. Chief Keef, Royals, Mets, Phillies, Cards. Nick, Athletics. Sam, Diamondbacks, Astros, Angels. Sam K. Nick, you're right there, my man. My man. You got the Athletics. Sam, oh. My bad. Diamondbacks, Astros, Angels, Sean, Indians, Dodgers, Sean, Rays, and Rangers. Sorry, man. Yeah, if you ever see Nick in a letter, 9 times out of 10, that's you. I don't know why I put it. What, I have an N? I don't know, that's weird. Good to go. Alright, let me know when you guys are ready to roll. We'll get it. We'll get it. This is getting exciting. Washington for A's. All right. He said, hell no. I guess it was about 50. $50. Not a bad deal. Probably take that. Alright. Do some baseball cards. A little Bowman Chrome this time of year. Gold Rush jerseys up after this, guys. And baseball jersey and baseball bat are both working. Baseball bat, baseball jerseys. If you guys want to get some cards, we got Gold Standard Black, Obsidian 2019. Whatever you guys are feeling. Certified. Alright guys, good luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck. And Bowman Chrome been pretty fun to do. Alright, first card is a Zach Collins rookie. Zach Collins rookie. Yu Chang. Nick Neidert. Montero. Woods. What are you so obsessed with? Alright, Dunn rookie. Clevenger. Laura, 6'5". Denenberg. Floral. Alright, Gallon rookie. Soto. Okay. It is a Brandon Shoemake out of 25. Nice orange. Whitley. Jones. Mike Jones. Alright, nice orange there. For the ATL Braves. For the ATL Braves. Gallon rookie. Austin Meadows. Wish the Pirates would have kept him. Nice, and Anthony K. rookie auto. Anthony K. rookie auto for Toronto. Rutherford Perdomo. Anthony K. First rounder. First round. Okay. Very nice. Clark, you back on, man? I just got your message. Alright, Rizzo, Bo Bichetti rookie, Plasmic, Marsh, Bay. Bo Bichetti. Alright, Acuna Matana. Ooh, no purple in there. Reyno's Reno. We got a purple. Gerald Perdomo. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Nice rookie going to the Rays. Olsen Patino. There you go, man. Clark, just let me know what you want, man. You got a bunch. Alex Young, Bellinger, Juan Martinez. Auto on card for the Red Sox. Alright, Juan Martinez for the Red Sox. Boston. Boston. Very nice. It seems like the auto's in the first pack every time. The auto and Bowman Chrome is in the first pack every time. That's what it seems like. We have one box of Bowman Chrome left. If you guys have, a little cracked ice in here. Joey Votto is a Jordan Blazovic cracked ice out of 150. Cracked ice out of 150. 150. That is going to the Minnesota Twins. Very nice. Nice Hill Silver. Larnach and Jeffries. Yeah. That's gotta be tough, Nick. Nick, who's your football team? Perez, Cabrera, Dawn of Glory, Postel, Prester, Rodriguez. The Rams, yeah. What's up, Anthony? Rams popped off, didn't they? Yelich, Abreu, Baz, Franco, Kirk. Every time LeBron gets carried, yeah. I don't know how the Cowboys came back and how did the Falcons lose today? They were up by like what, 30 by halftime? Sealman, Josh Bell, Xavier Edwards. Opposite field percentage. Can't read that. It's the Falcons. True. Calvin Ridley's been a dog. Longoria, Calhoun. Nice silver, Jordan Kelnick out of 499. High school wide receiver. Yeah, that Atlanta secondary has always been bad. It's like the Steelers finally fixed that. They always had a real bad secondary. Okay. These. So, nice Seattle silver. We got Minnesota Twins, Red Sox auto, Diamondbacks, Boschetti, Blue Jays, Toronto Blue Jays, Atlanta. I see we got up next is going to be a Gold Rush jersey. Gold Rush jersey. Okay. Alright, Seattle. Come on. Alright, Seattle. Eric H. Very good. Minnesota Twins. No way. Jose. Alright, Boston Red Sox. Jose. Arizona Diamondbacks, Sam. One ball. What state do you live in, man? Are you from Ohio? Toronto Blue Jays. I'm just asking because I'm from Ohio. I didn't know if you were a Toronto Blue Jays. Fake news, fake news. And Atlanta Braves, fake news. Fake news, fake news, fake news. Well, what state do you live in? Alright guys, every night 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break 5 times. Top spot. Free spot in the bonus break. Once, twice, 3 times. 5 times. And Cade. Cade. Good. Got one Bowman Chrome left. Michigan. Okay. Michigan. After this, guys, I gotta make a new spreadsheet real quick. We used all the cells up. We used them all up. Where the heck's baseball at? Alright, number 3, Bowman Chrome. Good. Alright, guys, up next, Gold Rush Football Jersey. Got to make another Bowman Chrome here. I'm going to make a new spreadsheet, and we'll let you guys pick the box. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.